Good morning, all. We are here in Goshen, New York. Probably the best parking you could ever ask for a contractor. Here's our house up here. We are on site at 20 to 7. This is right around our backyard here. What time's our inspection, Craig?
10 a.m.
We have a 10 a.m. inspection, so we had to start an hour early. Craig and I are coming out here now to start to dig up that 1,000. The boys should be arriving in about a half hour with the 2 tanks and all the other tools, and we'll show you the rest. Okay, here we are, the beautiful Hudson Valley. We have Craig. What's going on in your mind, Craig?
We're back.
More back problem. If you don't take care of it. Tank's uncovered. Deep tank, really deep tank. Probably, I'm going to say that's close to 15 tons of dirt. There she is.
I'll be right there.
She's buried in sand, so
Just go.
got a feeling it's going to be a good tank.
Nope.
So we're waiting on the crew now. Calling Craig. Sounds like we have a vehicle problem.
Just bring it to
So there it is. The life of owning a business. We put down the plate there to protect his edge. When we backfill with the mason dumps, apparently it sounds as if one of them's broke down. So we keep reacting to the actions that take place. What's wrong?
Leaf spring, you said broke on the truck.
On the truck itself?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
With the soil in it?
Of course, we're a little overloaded.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go see what that problem is. Okay, Mike is in the tank. What time is it?
9:20.
9:20. We've got about 40 minutes for the inspector to come. Mike's inside cleaning now. He's almost done. How much oil was in it?
175.
Yeah. We'll finish that out and finish that up and pull this thing out. That's a deep tank. What a day. I'll show you inside in a minute. So that tank's good. No holes. This is pretty cool. He's got a garage door opening for his basement. So he's going with 2, what size tanks? 330s?
Yeah.
2 330 manifolds. Just an FYI, in the state of New York, you're only allowed to have 660 gallons above ground per burner. So that's the max that we can do. So I'll show you outside, right about in this area. We're gonna drill our 2 lines going outside for the fill-in vent. All right, so something I don't think I've shown too much. Craig is he pre-pipes these just to know exactly where we're gonna drill out, so there's no mistake. And now I have to get the 1/2-inch return and suction duplex. It's got to go up, strapped to the joists, up over the support beam right here, and then down. So I lay the copper out and I just zip tie it, try to get it as straight as possible, and we'll begin to send it through. So these are the old lines actually that come in from the underground tank. We're disconnecting those. Craig's flare capping the part that came in, then he tied those 2 together. Pretty smart, so that nothing leaks out while we continue to work and dismantle it. That's all got to come back out. Okay, because it's a 1,000 gallon tank, we need 2 mason dump fulls. I just put the compactable stuff. It's got a little more rock in it. I just put that in. We're gonna back this in after I compact all this. I put all that overburden back in that was right here, and I compacted that. That was about 15 tons. And that's the first load from the mason. I'll spread that all now and evenly compact it, and then we'll back in the other mason and finish this off. Come in here and see how the boys are doing. And if you look at those, they are copper fittings that hold it. It's got rubber in between it. And the reason for that is when the burner kicks on, it gets a little bit of vibration. When it goes through these lines, it kind of gets amplified like a speaker, and it vibrates. So you'll feel the vibration upstairs on the floor joists. So in between each one of those, let's get one of these. And you can see it's got that little rubber piece in between it that absorbs all that vibrations. Okay, quite a configuration we've got here. They're moving along very nicely. Those are gonna be absolutely perfect. That's solid. No rebar, huh?
Nope.
That's always good. All right, so they'll just slide that right into place now, and it'll fit perfectly, and we'll send the pipes out. We'll finish tacking up the copper. Good job, my brother. Okay, tanks are in. Both trucks have been emptied out. It's all compacted and raked. Looks pretty good. Just gonna throw some seed down. Fix a couple of little holes right there with some topsoil, and the boys are now backfilling. Excuse me. They're pumping the good oil back in. That's where that return and suction lines. We do it a little below grade like that, so we'll put that dirt back and it'll look like it actually comes up out of the ground. Work in progress. Okay, I'll show you the finished product here. I know the burner is running. Here's your line, goes up and over. So you're adjusting those now, and then we'll fasten it. Fill pipe's got a very nice pitch. Sam is going to concrete that. It's a marine concrete, actually. 5 feet from an ignitable source. That's why it didn't go back there. So it's all within code. A nice job, boys. Mikey's sweeping up right now. And we come back outside here. Everything is all seated now. We got the vent pipe in. We're gonna put that fill on right there. We'll paint that, cover it back up. Nice work. As always, it's another fine job. Tank Masters Environmental.